How to fix Discord app stuck on connecting screen on an iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Settings app on your phone. Now you want to switch your connection. If you're using your Wi-Fi connection, turn off your Wi-Fi connection and then switch to mobile data. For that, tap on Wi-Fi and turn off the toggle button, tap on cellular and turn on the toggle button for it. Next thing which you can do here is, you want to go back to the home screen and you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is working properly. For that, you want to go to the settings of Wi-Fi, tap on the I like option beside it, scroll down and tap on configure DNS. Now here put on manually and delete the DNS service that is using. Now here you want to type 8.8.8.8. After that, tap on save, that is on the top right corner. That might help you solve the problem. Now you want to go back to the home screen of settings, scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, search for Discord and tap on it. Here go ahead and tap on offload app, tap on offload app here. As you do that, all the caches and cookies will be deleted from Discord and it might help you fix the problem. Next thing that you can do is you want to go ahead and open App Store and check if Discord app is updated. For that, tap on App Store, go to the search bar and search for Discord. Tap it open. Here, if the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and update it. And if not, you have the updated version. So this might help you fix the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.